Okay, so you will see in what I've sent through to you that you've got the cover of the book to start with, and then you've got the index. So that's not what I'm showing on my split screen at the moment. I'm talking about that sort of textbook thing. Now you will see that chapter 1 has got it's got the proof by contradiction being 1.1. Now we're going to come back to that. I think that's quite awkward. Okay, it's a unit in its own right. It has its own unit test. So for now, I want us to skip that. Okay, so we're going to be launching straight into chapter 1 of the Pure 2 book and doing the rest of chapter 1. So going from 1.2 up to 1.5, I think it is. Okay, so from the point of view of what I've run off for you, you should be going from, I think it's about page 20, something like that. Let me have a look. Yeah, I can't see what the page number is, but really what you should have is it looking like saying 1.2 algebraic fractions. So can somebody just well, I know you've got that. So that's the page we need to be looking at. And I thought, it's Friday today, it's the end of the week. Let's just keep it quite simple. We're just going to be doing the 1.2, the multiplying and dividing bit, which leads us into exercise 1B. Oh, I can't remember if I started recording this. No, never mind if I didn't. So we're doing 1B. So just talking you through the example. Obviously, when we're multiplying fractions, it's just top times top, bottom times bottom. All right, you know that. So example 5 isn't anything new. Okay, and example 6, just to remind you when it clicks through, remember when you're dividing fractions, the first fraction remains the same. You change it from a division to a multiplication, and you flip the second fraction over. Okay, so just taking that example, a over b divided by a over c, you just turn it into a times sign and just flip the second one over, so it becomes c over a. And in example b, you can see that in the solution there, it's just the x squared minus 16 goes to the top, the 3x plus 6 goes to the bottom, change it to a times sign, factorize, and just sort of cross multiply and cancel out. So I am proposing, please, today that you're going to just rattle through example 1b. They are easy, they are quick, so we're going to try and do all of them, please. Okay, it's not a very long exercise. We've got questions 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's about 6 questions from memory, something like that. 5, 6. Yes, 6 questions. So can we try and see how many of those 6 questions in exercise 1B we can get through this lesson, please?